Okay, welcome back, guys. This is me and my brother's YouTube channel. Me and my brother's YouTube channel.
I guess.
And my brother, is gonna do his now because mine is already done, and I'm gonna eat it after Maffin's done. After Maffin's is done. Anyways, we have this Maffin. This stuff again. Make sure you get your ladder to go up.
If it's too high,
yeah.
Make sure you get a ladder.
Yeah.
And if you need help by your mom, so then you set it for 30 seconds, and then
Right
you
there.
wait. I got chocolate chips on it. Starts to melt. Look at that.
And then you split it around like mine is.
Because that's enough to warm it up.
Wait, is that too long?
No, I set it for 30 seconds.
Now, Muffin, move your knee. Move your knee again. And then, here it is. Hey, Muffin. Split it. Help you spin it around.
Wait, okay, yeah. Just go like, oh. That one was really liquidy.
Yeah, let's go eat. This is a dinner today.
Bye, guys. See you next time.
It's a birthday.
Bye.
Bye.